Hey there, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. I just wanted to thank you for the opportunity to come out here and give you an estimate to get all these windows washed up. So a little bit about our company. Man, it's cold out here. Is winter over yet? We specialize in exterior cleaning, commercial, residential. And the way we wash your windows here is really called a reverse osmosis deionized water-fed pole cleaning method. So we don't use any soap or squeegees. We actually clean everything from the ground with specialized filtered purified water. So when the water hits your glass, it attracts all that nasty dirt and spider webs, wash all the frames if necessary, and we'll wash all the top windows first, let all that water drip down to the lower section, and then we'll wash all the lower windows. And then when that drippy, super purified clean water dries, your windows turn out as clean as they could possibly be. So look forward to working for you. This is probably about a day and a half, maybe 2 days worth of work here. So when you're ready to have us out, let me know. My name is Eddie, owner operator, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you.